At first, good to all, respected ladies and gentlemen. I am Kamalnayan Bhattrai. I am going to say something about the education. Education is most important in the society. Without education, we cannot survive in good life. Educated people can survive everywhere frequently good life. It is the most important matter so that I want to share among all of you. Education is most important. But I am looking there are more people are involved in the education sector. But I am looking that we learn more matter, we read more, but we cannot clearly read. We cannot clear that we are not understand that matter which matter teach the teacher. So that it is the problem. Yes, we get more knowledge, but they cannot use. That is not useful. Because why? They cannot frequently express their matter, so that it is the problem. I am talking about that, how to express our matter which we know, how to express the students frequently, easily, which they know, which they read. Yes, this problem, our practiceless. Practice is most necessary so that how to practice among the students, teachers, it is the most necessary. I am going to talk about that. I express some practice here. How to practice. Yes, our education, our teaching method is not practice, so that we are not clear, we are not sufficient, we are not satisfied, we are not understand. So that I am going to talk how to practice. It is my matter. How to teacher, what to do teacher and what do student. I think we all are feeling that. Not only I feeling. You are also feeling, all teachers are feeling that, all students are feeling it. We have practice less. How to practice? It is the problem. They are also feeling, they facing that, so that I want to especially talk about it. Yes, I am visiting more schools. I am talking more teachers. I am looking how to teach the teachers that they are also practiceless. Our books are also this type. So that we are facing this problem, I give some method here. Okay, we have need this type books also. Okay, now I am talking how to practice it. Books matter. Other time I will talk about that. This problem is not only my. This problem is not here. We are facing this type of problem generation to generation. So that I want to break up that types of problem. Now I am going to talk about it. Okay, I have given some idea that time I go up. Okay, I have given A to D. Okay, it is very simple matter, not only vast. If you have practiced simple matter, vast matter, you have easy to learn, you have easy to do. Students are also first of facing that, so that you have give simple matter. If you have start to practice, they are already enough, already increase. Okay, I am going to talk E for elephant to H for horse. Okay, first of all we have problem. E for elephant. Elephant means what? I am looking that there more people are teaching, more teachers are teaching. Elephants mean hathi. No, it is our problem. It is our weakness. Elephant means don't say Hathi. If you are teaching Nepali, at that time Hathi means Hathi. If you are teaching English, this time don't use other language, not only English. Which language we are teaching, you are improve that language. Okay. E for elephant, how to indicate that? We have not need elephant picture, you have not need elephant. You can already show yourself. Look here, do it. E for elephant, E for elephant. In this way, if you are teaching this way, we have all practice with me. Not only thinking my certificate is this, certificate is other matter, but your technique is other matter. It is the technique. First of all, you with me, first of all, you are feeling, oh, no, it is not. Hey, it is not easy. You can know, you don't know it is. First of all, you practice it, you are feeling it. Okay, do it with me. I am looking easily, do it. E for elephant. Second time also, 2 times do. E for elephant. Yes. Now, after E, F. How to, F for fan. How to indicate the fan? We have not need picture. We have not need fan. You indicate yourself, your body. You can. F for fan. F for fan. In this way, you can show. Now, G for gun. How to indicate? Do it. Tichu, tichu. G for a gun. Follow me. Do it. G for a gun. Tichu, tichu. Don't miss. You do it. I request you. Then you follow it. If you are not eating, you are not facing, you are not touching, you don't know what is it. When you are facing that, you are touching that, you know that is that. What is the reply it? Okay? Okay? H for horse. H for horse. How to show horse? You are thinking, I have need picture. Show the horse. No, not need. You can clear it, your body. Okay. Hit, hit, hit. Follow me, follow me. Do it. Hit, hit, hit. H for horse. H for horse. Please, I am requesting all of you. First of all, you do it. If you are not feeling, you are contact me. You say it is not good idea. I am not feeling that. I hope it. All of you follow it. First of all, you do it. Without eating, you don't know what is its taste. So that you follow me. I am not. You are how to certificate. You have gotten that. Yes. Do it again. E hit, hit, hit. H for horse. H for horse. HORSE horse. H for horse. H for horse. Okay. Only you do. When you are teaching, at that time, 1-2 times you do. Then you call the students. Please come on the stage. Say you also do. First time, second time, they are feeling hesitation. They forget that because with acting, only you are teaching, it is other matter. There are more 2 matter. So that they are feeling hesitate, difficult. First of all, you do again and say one by one, all students come on the stand, you have get chance. When you clear that, 1-2 students do, they are also intensely looking that, learning that. Interest is increased, they are already know. You are feeling there are 40 students. How to one by one? That 1-2 player finish? No. First of all, call 1-2 chance, 1-2-3 students. Then you call 4-5 students. Here, one by one. No, one by one. 4-5 students. First of all they do, then all follow. First of all they do, first they follow. I think 4-5 times that is enough to all 40-50 students come on the stage. You are feeling 4 5 students want how to know. Yes, first of all do it. I am clear that if you are calling 1 2 students on the stage, they are also prepared. I also want to do. If you are not doing, that time don't beat. You say good boy, bad boy, good boy, bad boy. It is the very fantastic matter. They are interested. They think, oh, when sir call on the stage, they say bad boy. Oh no, I don't want to be bad boy. You are calling 4 5 students. At that time, there are 1 2 students know, other don't know. But they are flowing, but they are not no. They are forget that I am doing, I am success. That mind is increased, they are already success other time. It is, I know that all teachers are feeling, all qualified person are feeling, what is it? It is I know. You don't know. First of all, throw out your hesitation, not students' hesitation. If you can throw your hesitation, you can frequently teach the students. Not only this matter, you are increasing all matter. You can teach in this way if you learn it. Your mind is centralized, some mind develop. You can teach all books in this way. First of all, do it. It is starting matter. If you have start, your mind is already increased. Okay, now I am going to stop my speech. Okay, bye.